Bojo Nintendo Magnatug Bindigan Nongo Manishna Bemuin Geek Non Jigawin. So your words for today are going to be short sentences. So the first one is, what is your name? Anish Ejnakazuyan. Anish Ejnakazud. What is that person's name? They wait to walkin'. Don't believe it. Gijiwayan. You speak too loud. Andi Ejayan. Where are you going? Bijan Amade. Come here. Ouija Bamosemshin. Walk with me. Gina Nababa. Are you my dad? Gina. Miiigwech. Bisinduiag. Bamape.